I definitely like that it has three functions in one: the spray, the alarm, and the SOS light. Hello everyone, I'm going out in the nature today. I'm bringing along my crochet project and I invite you to join me on this adventure. Those of you who have been watching my videos regularly know that being out in the nature is absolutely essential for me. I think of it as a natural antidepressant which positively affects my physical and mental health. I often go on walks and picnics and usually I bring my golden doodle teddy with me. But today I'm going on a hike in a place with a somewhat rough terrain, which is also heavily populated by deer. And for those reasons I left my dog with my mom and I'm going alone. As an introverted person, I actually enjoy being alone. I have previously shared videos of my nature outings and some of you commented that I should be careful going alone to secluded and isolated places. And those comments mean a lot to me. I greatly appreciate your concerns and care. And yes, of course, personal safety should be a priority for anyone. And that's what I would like to talk about in this video. Just look at this majestic place. I think I'll stay here for a while. I will work on my crochet project and enjoy the views of the hills, the trees, the river, and the gentle evening sun. If you're wondering what it is I'm crocheting, it's a virus shawl, and the full video tutorial will be coming soon. I do take precautions when going out in the nature. I don't wander too far into the wilderness and I avoid places where I might run into wild animals such as coyotes or mountain lions. Deer are okay, but even then I keep my distance as they might carry disease-transmitting ticks and fleas. Also, I always text or call a family member, usually my mom, and let her know where I'm going. That is very important. And as an extra precaution, I carry a pepper spray with me. I've had one for a few years and thank God I never had a reason to use it. Usually the shelf life of a pepper spray is somewhere from 2 to 5 years and the strength of the spray does decrease over time even if not in use. So this was definitely time to update my pepper spray to a new one. And not only I updated it, I actually upgraded it as well. The one that I have now is from Papasafety. In addition to a gel pepper spray, it is also 130 decibel alarm and high intensity LED light. So it's three functions in one. And these three functions can be used all at once or separately, which is quite nice. It has a rechargeable battery and the device can last up to a year on a single charge. When it's time to recharge it, the battery indicator light will be on. I have never had this particular brand and model, so I do want to try it and see how it works. Let's do it! I definitely like that it has three functions in one: the spray, the alarm, and the SOS light. The spray has replaceable canisters and there are up to 23 1-second bursts from a single canister. However, for the optimal results, it is recommended to replace the pepper spray canister after each use. There is no sure way to tell how much spray is left in the canister and the pressure might decrease, so I definitely will purchase a new one. I want to have my spray ready for emergency use at any moment. Replacing the canister is very easy. I simply open the back side, remove the old one and put in a new one. And it's ready to use again. That's all that I wanted to share with you today. Thank you for joining me on this little adventure. I hope you enjoyed the beautiful views of Northern California. My virus shawl is almost ready. I will share the tutorial with you soon. Please be safe. Personal safety should be a priority for anyone. And if you are interested in Papasafety Gel Pepper Spray, Alarm, and SOS Light, three functions in one, I will leave the link in the description box below the video.